And towers, Conquest, number 501 Delta Tango. We'll do some 360s here, and could we get the flyby for checking the gears?
Number 501 Delta Tango, Manchester Tower, roger. Let me know when you're on final runway 3, runway 24.
Let me know on final for 1 Delta Tango, and we'll do a flyby, check the gears, please.
And 1 Delta Tango, do you need assistance?
Not right now, we'll let you know after that pass for 1 Delta Tango.
Is this just like a practice thing, or you have an issue with the gear?
We might have an issue here, might be indication.
Wiggins 597, contact Boston departure.
Departure, Wiggins 597.
Tower 1 Delta Tango is now final C4.
Number 1 Delta Tango, roger, runway 24, clear low approach.
Clear low approach 241 Delta Tango. And tower is 1 Delta Tango.
Good.
Yeah, so just a little resume of our situation here. So we got the right engine centered, and we're not getting gear down in speed. So yeah, we'll do a little backfill probably.
Roger.
I'll do that just for 1 Delta Tango.
1 Delta Tango, your gear appears down. And did you say your one of your engines was fluttering?
One of our engines actually shut down. The right engine shut down, and we had gear and casing issue, but you're saying they appeared down, so I think we'll go and let them down with.
1 Delta Tango, roger, down at your discretion.
Thank you.
And you did say, what was about your right engine?
So right engine is fully shut down now for 1 Delta Tango. And for 1 Delta Tango, would it be available, would it be possible to have the truck stand by for us?
Affirm, they are.
Oh, thank you very much for 1 Delta Tango.
Number 1 Delta Tango, runway 24, clear to land, wind 290 with 8 gusts, 19er.
Okay, 24, clear to land, 1 Delta Tango. One Delta Tango, send final 24.
Number 1 Delta Tango, roger, runway 24, clear to land.
Manchester Tower, Airport 5 would like permission to proceed on 24 immediately after the landing aircraft.
Airport 5, roger.
Manchester Tower, Wiggins 597 is on the ILS 35 for the option.
Wiggins 597, continue. Airport 5, proceed on runway 24.
Share runway 24, Airport 5.
Number 501 Delta Tango, roger, turn left on Mike and contact ground.
That's fine.
Airport 5, hold short, runway 35.
Hold short, runway 35, Airport 5.
Wiggins 597, runway 35, clear for the option.
35, clear for the option, Wiggins 597.
Manchester Tower, Blue 36266, visual, runway 24.
Blue 35266, match tower, continue, vehicles on the runway.
Continue, Blue 36266.
Manchester Tower, you can show Airport 5 off 24, and the runway is clear and back to you.
Airport 5, thank you. Blue 35266, match tower, runway 24, clear to land, wind 280 at 10, gust 16.
Runway 24, clear to land, Blue 5266.